Now, this is it for this module. We learned how we can upload files, and we started with a manual approach, but then quickly moved on to a model-driven approach, where we add an image or a file field. For the image field, we needed to install that extra pillow package, and where we then conveniently told Django where to move those uploaded files. And you learned that in the database, it's not the file which will be stored, but just a pointer, just a path to that file. Now, for that to work smoothly, we needed to go to Settings PY and set the media root, where we define our folder where those uploaded files should be stored. We also defined the media URL, which we then needed for serving those files. We also needed to tweak our root URLs PY file to expose those uploaded files statically, because by default, none of our folders in this project are accessible from the outside world for security reasons. That's why we need to explicitly open up specific folders, like the upload folder here in the end, if we want to grant access to them. And with that, we then were able to also list our user profiles and display those uploaded images. And that's in the end all that's to it. File upload can sound very complex, and we definitely had an in-depth look at it in this course section, but ultimately, it's just like handling a regular form, and the only tricky part can be serving those files. But that's something we also covered in this module now.